I'm Jeff with Precision Replacement Parts. Today I'm going to show you how to install a WFK 1130-73. It's a two-piece belt line kit for the tailgate. It fits a 73 to 91 GM Blazer Jimmy. Today we're going to be installing it on our 2017 SEMA build, which is a 1976 K5 Blazer. First, let me show you how to remove the old part. Okay, we're going to go ahead and remove the belt lines. So we need to remove this end cap via these two screws. So we'll do that quick. Now we need to repeat this on the other side. I'm going to go ahead and remove the belt lines. There's no right or wrong way on which one to remove first. I'm going to use this clip removal tool, and I'm going to come in behind the clip and I'm going to bend the tab so it opens up more, allowing it to come up a little bit easier. We're going to continue this process all the way to the other end. Now we're going to do the outer in the same fashion I did the inner. And I'm going to continue this process all the way to the other end. We recommend that you install the inner first. This will give you more room to install the clips into the slots on the body. The middle tab of the clip is what goes into the slot on the body, and you want to have it centered in the slot. Due to the length of the belt line, Greg is going to help me, but we've lined up all the clips for the slots on the body, and we're going to work one way from one end to the other, pressing them in. We're going to install the outer now and install it the same way as the inner. We have the clips lined up with the slots. We're going to start going from one end to the other. You will need to push against the glass to the inside of the vehicle to create a little more working room. Last step here is to put these end caps back on via the two screws that they were attached with. Now I'll repeat the process on the other side, and then you're done.